Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren, and today I've created this sort of bronzy sparkly look using the Colourpop California Love Palette. This look was actually inspired by somebody else. I don't know her name right offhand, but I will definitely put it in the description box below. And her look is absolutely gorgeous. But if you want to see how I recreated this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, I already have this side done, and we're going to be using the California Love Palette by Colourpop today. And so the first color I'm going to be using to put in my crease is this color right here called Laguna. And I'm just going to take that on this fluffy brush here, and I'm going to just put that all in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this color right here called Sequoia, and I'm going to take it on this little fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to use that to smoke out that first shade. Just putting it around the edges. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Highway 1. And I'm going to be taking it on this flat brush here and putting it all in my outer corner. Now going back into the first fluffy brush and blending out the edges of that. Now I'm going to cut my crease. Then I'm just going to set that with a cream colored eyeshadow. And then using that flat brush again, I'm going to just make this not a harsh line. Then I'm going to take this shade right here called Cahuenga. I'm just taking it on this little small flat brush and putting it right on the edge of this concealer. Now I'm going to take the shade Sequoia again on a flat brush, this flat brush, and I'm going to pack that all on the inner part of that concealer. Then I'm going to take this pressed glitter on my finger, and I'm just going to put that right in between those colors. Alright, so that is it for the eyes right now. I'm going to do my face makeup and then I'll be right back. Okay, so to finish up the look, I just took this shade called Diego and I put that just a tiny bit of that on top of the glitter. just to add a tiny bit more shimmer, and then I took a little bit more glitter and put on the top of that. That's definitely not necessary, but I just wanted a little extraness. And so with the first brush we took, I'm not really adding any more product onto it. I'm just sweeping it under my lower lash line. And then using the flat brush we used, just doing the same thing, except not as much. And now I'm going to take this shade right here called Cruisin', and I'm going to add that to my inner corner. Now I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and putting that all over my lashes. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!